guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Ipsy November unboxing bag. I'm super excited. This is technically my first one. I did get an Ipsy bag back in 2016. I got it for 1 month and I just wasn't satisfied with that bag, so I was not going to do it again. But then I decided just to give it another try, see how I like it, and I'm actually satisfied with what I got in here. If you don't know about Ipsy, it's basically like a subscription that you get once a month, and it's basically like you get full-size products, sometimes sample-sized, mixed in with that for only $10 a month. So I'll leave in the description box the link for it. This time I was able to see what I previously was gonna get before they send it. They kind of show you everything that you're gonna get in your bag, and I was pretty satisfied with it. And then I also ordered 2 extra items for $3 that were samples. So yeah, but before we get started in that, can you please subscribe to my channel, hit that watermark down below and subscribe. And if you want to be notified every time I upload, then hit the bell and it'll give you a notification every time. And also, if you end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. So yeah, if you want to see what's in my November Ipsy bag, then just keep on watching. Okay, let's open it. I feel like I was the last person to get my bag because I've seen people's reviews up in 2 weeks in November. And it's already about to be the end of November, so. Okay, so it looks like they just put my extra samples aside, I think. I'm just going to put that to the side. Oh yeah, so it doesn't show me. So I got, the first thing I got was the MAC Strobe Cream, and it's the Hydrant Luminix. I'm not exactly sure what it is exactly. I just got it because I wanted to get a sample. So yeah, that's what I got. And then I got the, I don't know how to say it, Ciate. It's C-I-A-T-E. And it's just, what is it called? A translucent powder. So yeah, super cute and tiny, cute little sample. Love the packaging on that. Now this is my Ipsy bag. I don't really like purple, to be honest, but look, it kind of looks good with my nails. And I think the color on the zipper should have just been all black instead of this gold yellow color. But yeah, anyways, other than that, this is the Ipsy bag itself. Okay, it comes with the card. And it says, Happy Friendsgiving, say what you are thankful for, in 5 emojis. And then it says, your inside source, blah, 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 cashback on killer products. And yeah, so they just give you a card. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Orbi Dry Texturing Spray. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it looks cool, and it looks like a travel size. I think that's pretty cool. Let's see. Shake spray. I don't know, it doesn't really say what it is. I'm assuming it's a texture spray. So yeah, this is the first thing I got. I'll do a review on this sooner or later. The next thing I got is this Pure fully charged mascara, and it's just in the travel size. Yeah, I actually have some of the Pure products, and I like them. I have a Pure mascara already, so let's open this and see how big the brush is on it. So the brush looks pretty good. I like it. I like that it's big. I'm definitely going to put this in my purse to use as a travel one. So yeah, get this Pure mascara. The next thing I have in here is Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. I'm not sure what that is. Oh yeah, it's this eyeshadow. I wasn't a fan of this. I'm very light skinned, so blue eyeshadow does not look good on me, but that's the eyeshadow. I'm definitely probably not going to use this. This is what I'm very excited for. I got the Smashbox lip color, and this one is, I can't see it. It's the Rogue A Reverse Liquid. I don't know. It's an A38 is the color number. But it's by Smashbox. Let's swatch this real quick. It's like an orange. I like it. I think it's pretty cute for fall. This is a good color for fall. Too bad fall's about to be over. And the last thing I got is this Mary Doom Veneerizer Liquid Highlighter. So I got that. Let's see. Let's see how this does. We'll just put like a very tiny bit on there. I actually am a fan of liquid highlighter. I feel like it's really good. Ooh, I like this one, guys. So that's the highlighter. It looks so much better in person. Oh my god, I'm actually excited about my bag. I think the one thing I wish I didn't get was this one right here, this eyeshadow. I'm just way too like fair skinned to have that. But anyways, that is all that's in my Ipsy unboxing bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And please, please subscribe. Let's try to get me to 500 subscribers by the beginning of December. Hopefully that happens. I'll see you next time. Bye.